Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine for sale today. This one is going to be a remote 25. It is a 2009 T25 LA. Would work best on a 16-foot boat, pontoon, things like that. Let's see here. Compression was 185 on both cylinders. It'll come with the prop that is on it. It'll come with either a good used or a new OEM control box. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter. We get a new fuel filter, excuse me there. New lower unit lube and new power head oil. Fuel system was gone through. It's actually got a brand new carburetor on it. The old one just wasn't working correctly and there was not a way to actually fix it. Got this all hooked up, ready to go. We'll go ahead and get it fired up here. Give it a second here, let it warm up. Pumping good water. And I do have throttle shift cables and stuff like that all available. We need to redo the prop. We can work something out there. Go ahead and put it in forward. Back to neutral, reverse, and this one does have power tilt and trim. Go ahead and shut it off, fire back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you, and have a great day.